Can plants feel pain? The surprising truth might just shock you. Have you ever cut a leaf and thought, did the plant feel that? Plants don't scream, they don't cry, but something strange happens when they get hurt. Let's find out if plants can really feel pain. Plants are not just quiet green things. They move towards sunlight. They close their leaves when touched. They are always reacting. When a plant is hurt, it sends a signal inside its body. It's like a warning to other parts of the plant. It also releases chemicals like a stress message. Warning signals and chemical messages. Pain needs a brain. Plants do not have brains, so they do not feel pain like humans or animals. Pain requires a brain. Plants don't have one. But they do react, and that's still amazing. Some plants warn other plants. They send smells into the air. It's like saying, watch out, danger is coming. Other plants react. Plant communication. So do plants feel pain? Not like us, but they are alive. Peaceful garden, close-ups of leaves. They sense, react, and protect themselves. Plants are smarter than we think. Plants may not cry, but they are listening. Herb. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more science. Plants are listening.